What's going on, everybody? I'm going to be showing you exactly how Truly Free has made our lives so much easier, making sure it's chemical free, it's eco-friendly, and honestly safe for our home, and we have loved every second of it. Come with me as I show you exactly how we're going to be cleaning the kitchen using Truly Free products that are going to amaze you. And one of the things I want you to remember is, if you're ever in a place where you want to have a clean home that's also eco-friendly, Truly Free has been a lifesaver for me. Check down in the description box right down below if you'd like to learn some more about it. I'm going to be showing you exactly how we're going to have an eco-friendly, family-friendly, and honestly a really clean house. This is all without using harsh chemicals or products that you get into your stores. One of the things that even led me to Truly Free was I started noticing that when I would spray some things down, I would start to clean, and I started noticing my chest would get tight. I just noticed whenever I would use those chemicals or use those products, the smells would be one thing, but how it would feel would be another. And we have an asthmatic house, and I started noticing that my son's breathing started changing a little bit, especially right after I used it. And then maybe it was from the smells, but I'm a big believer it's what they're putting in this stuff. But Truly Free's taking care of that. Truly Free has great products that are family friendly, eco-friendly, and honestly safe, and you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals like you find in other products. Let's go into our kitchen as we take a tour. I'm going to be showing you exactly how we get things done here. Now, I promise you I keep my house clean. I'm going to be showing you one of the worst surfaces that I have to clean. And this is one of the toughest surfaces for us to clean because we know that it gets a lot of traffic on it. It's our countertops, our stone countertops. But what we've had problems with is keeping it clean. Let's see how Truly Free does with cleaning everything up off our counter, giving it that mirror-like shine. Truly Free has been the game changer for making sure our house is non-toxic and also smells great and looks great. Truly Free has been the biggest game changer, and what I also love about Truly Free is that they have a money back guarantee. If you don't like their products, no questions asked, they will give you your money back. No questions asked. I cannot stress that enough because they stand by their products. And if you'd like to learn more about it, check in the description box right down below. Thank y'all for coming into my kitchen and seeing the mess that it did have, but let me show you how easy it is to clean it with Truly Free products. Thank y'all for watching. If you do have comments, by the way, or questions, leave them right down below and don't be afraid to give a like. I'm gonna see you next time.